smoking on pack. Preferably black, leprechaun. All of these hoes, they on my arm. All of these bitches, they know me gone. Stunning on bitches, come back to the 60s. Bad bitch like she playing with the mixes. Bad bitch keep playing with my chicken. Bad bitch trying to get on my Insta. Bad bitch chick trying to keep quiet. I got bad bitches trying to get quiet. Don't chill for a nigga get violent. I got bad bitches trying to get violent. Hey, I see a motherfucker smiling. 20,000 damn bitches on the island. 20,000 damn bitches gon' file. She make it clap. I got the strap. 20 new gas. Feel like I'm sad. 20 new bitches and none of them average. I'm gonna be treating like me a bad bitch. I don't give a fuck about niggas. I don't give a fuck about hoes. I don't give a fuck about your hoes. I don't give a fuck about your toes, your hoes, your manicure, pedicure, toes. I'm coming on the block with the rock. 20-inch blocks in my socks. Niggas keep doing that crazy ass shit. If I go to jail, I'ma keep it locked in the sock. I got that from the king. All of my hoes they spend on me. All at the mall, I'm bending bends. 20 friends on envy. Bitches is coming to the mall and they throwing their fringes. Looking at toys, look at my story. All of these bitches, they look at me growing up fast like a nigga was 40. I don't even know what I'm saying, but tonight I'm about to take y'all bitches and